Hi, 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 hi,
You tired of seeing it?
hi. Okay.
You tired of seeing it now?
Oh, no, he's here.
Day two. Well, it's day one because we brought him on yesterday evening.
Yeah,
So it hasn't even been 24 hours yet
yeah.
since he's been here, and he's trying to eat on his own because we were told that we have to hand feed him, so we were hand feeding him. But today I said let me try him with a NutriBurst, and I break it up into pieces, and he's actually eating, and he also plays with toys already. He's so smart.
And we just got him.
Okay, let him feed. Let him eat the food. He's he took a little bath, so he's grooming. He's super smart. He hears the birds.
This bird came to him.
He's grooming.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
Let him groom. After he's groomed, he's gonna eat.
You like how you're eating.
So, sleeping in a blanket. Watching him cuddle up and his blanket. Cuddling with his blanket. You plucking your feathers? His little bow. Fix his bow so I can show in the center of his back. Your little bow. Your little bow, your little suit. This is his waterproof towel. So if he poos, well, if he poos, he won't get on anything anyway because he's wearing Pampers. He's wearing a Pampers right now, but if he's not wearing Pampers, say he poo, it won't spill through. My bird. Hey, look at the birdie. You full? Here, you full? Okay. Wings! Wings! Yay! Yay! You excited to see me? You're excited to see me? Give me more wings. Give me more wings. Wings! 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 Here come, he's not doing you anything. You running from a little baby bird. My God. A little baby parrot you running from. Hey, just lay down. He's not doing you anything. Wings! Wings! Hey, he's just excited to see me. Come. So go on lay your one bed then. My God. You are such a punk. Wings! 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 Oh my God. You gave me your big wings today. 9 a.m. in the morning. And my new baby parrot. Yay! Yay! He's only 5 weeks old. Yeah, look at him. And he's crying for attention and also his food because we hand feed him. Hey! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! He doesn't like to sleep in a cage. This is his cage right here. I actually have a flight cage in my living room for my 2 budgies, and he doesn't want to go in there. He hates the budgies. So I might have to get him a bigger cage. But he doesn't sleep in a cage regardless. He's always out on this perch that I got him. He loves this perch. And I let him free fly all over the house with his little Pampers flight suit. Yeah, so I'm gonna get him his food. I'm gonna be right back. Come, Blessings. Come for your food. Good baby. Okay, come over here. It's time to hand feed you, baby. Okay, wait, let me do it. I'm using one hand, so let's see if we can get a good. Wait. I got it. And this is how I hand feed him. I don't make the formula too thick or too watery because he's 5 weeks old, so I'm trying to wean him in. And he don't play with his food. I can't follow that 4 times a day feeding. That don't work with Blessings. Blessings will cry for his meal. As you can see, he's wearing his flight suit. And what I did, I cut a piece of infinity pad and I put it in the flight suit, and when I tell you, it works like a charm. I used to use the cotton what would you call it thing, the cotton that you use to wipe makeup, the cotton pads, and it works well, but I find like the infinity absorb very well. And when he has the flight suit on, for some reason he doesn't poo a lot, and he'll poo in it, but not a lot. And as soon as I take the flight suit off, he just he kind of likes to poo on his perch because he thinks that's where his potty is. And yes, I'm trying to potty train him as well. And when he's full, he will just turn his head away and just walk away. And he won't. Wait, Blessings. Here. One more? Here, more? He doesn't want any more. As you see, he's done. Yeah. So I'm going to clean him up now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll put a picture of the description of the food that I use. Just in case you guys want to know. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace. Blessings, say bye.